Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that all technology has disappeared. No phones, no internet, no computers, and no smart devices. Life would suddenly become much more difficult. This shows how important technology has become in our daily lives. Hello everyone! Welcome back to Speak English with me. In today's listening practice lesson, we are going to talk about a very important topic: What is technology? Technology is the use of tools, machines, and systems to help people achieve their goals and make life. Over time, technology has developed rapidly and become an essential part of modern life. Uses of technology. Technology is used in many areas of our lives. Medicine. Technology helps doctors diagnose illnesses and provide better treatment for patients. Modern medical equipment has improved healthcare around the world. Health. Many people use smartwatches and fitness trackers to monitor their health, track their activities, and maintain. Education. Technology has transformed education. Students can use computers, tablets, and online resources to learn more effectively and access information. Food. Technology helps improve food production, storage, and transportation, making food safer and more available. Technology in our daily lives. Today, technology is everywhere. We use it to communicate, study, work, shop, and entertain ourselves. Most homes have smart devices that make everyday tasks easier and faster. Technology also helps people work from home and stay productive. Many businesses use technology to improve their services and reach more customers. People can use navigation apps to find directions and save time while traveling. Technology allows us to communicate with people from different countries instantly. Online banking makes it easier to manage money and pay bills. Farmers use modern technology to grow crops more efficiently. Technology helps scientists conduct research and make new discoveries. Many people enjoy using technology for hobbies such as photography, gaming, and emergency services use technology to respond quickly and save lives. As technology continues to advance, it will create new opportunities for future generations. It is important to learn how to use technology responsibly and help children understand both its benefits and challenges. Conclusion. In conclusion, technology plays a vital role in our lives. It helps us achieve our goals, solve problems, and connect with the world around us. When used wisely, technology can make our lives better and support our future success. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with me for more English lessons and listen.